times and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Luvme here once more. Same packaging as before. Open it. Have the wig here in a bag. And there's like a tissue paper that says enjoy your hair journey from now on. I got a wig cap. I got a little goodie bag here, I'm guessing, and I got like a booklet. Says love me. Oh, so it's just telling you about the return and refund policy, how to care for your wig, stuff like that. And so in the bag I got a edge brush and comb, and guys, I also got a mirror holder here. I got this cute light mirror that's so nice. It says love me. It's really nice. Guys, excuse my nails, I'm gonna get them done soon, but that's cute. And I got a love me headscarf, like to put this around your edges. So for today's wig, we have this gorgeous BODYWAVE 5x5 lace closure wig. It's so nicely plucked. It's already pre-bleached and tinted. That looks so good. And it has extra elastic band on the inside for security. It has a total of 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. It's a 1B color. I'm going to put everything in the description box, like, you know, density and, you know, the direct link to this weave here. It's so soft, guys. So nice and soft. It's nice and full. So please check out my description box for all the specifications. And as I said, the link for the wig will be listed down below. So today, what I want to show you with this wig is, you know, a really nice, flawless and quick glueless install. As I showed you, it's very nicely constructed and it has like a pre-plucked vibe going on. So let's just get to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the elastic band here. Slip it on. So this is what's going to really help to keep it in place and make it feel super secure. And then I even use a comb in the back to kind of let the back stay in place. Okay, it feels very snugged. Like, it feels very, very snugged. It's not like tight, like we're going to have a headache or anything, but like it's super snug. So I love the feeling of that because it doesn't feel like it's going to slide off your head. This is how it's looking. So for today's install, I'm using absolutely no adhesive. This is a quick lace closure glueless install. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just cut off the excess lace off the front. Ensure to be careful so you don't like cut the hair. And it looks really good. Like, you can't, like, there is no cast or anything. It looks really good. I will say though, if you want to, you can definitely go in and like pluck it more for like a deeper graduation. But so far so good. This is how it looks when like pulled back. I'm not doing anything to make it lay flat. Like, that's how well it's laying with the lace. So I think that's good. I think this is perfect for all the ladies that like to just pull on a wig to go to work, you know, and take it off once you're home on a everyday basis. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is just lay the middle portion here, you know, so it can look more, you know, presentable, like, you know, more laid. This part is a little bit bulky, and to just make sure that it is like that, it stays. Of course, I'm gonna go in with just a tad bit of my Flyaway Tamer. Parting looks good and everything. It's not overly bleached, so I'm happy about that. Just a little bit at the root here and in the front to pull it back.
You show me love that I never had seen before. Now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
So now that I've done that, I want to give this some voluminous curls. I've decided that I want to give this some, you know, fluff up back the curls again. So I'm going to just go through this with my curling iron and, you know, get it really nice and voluminous. So I'm just gonna kind of speed through that. Let's go. To go out of my mind, and all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Okay, so as I said, yes, I just wanted to do some, like, you know, redefine the curls and stuff like that. So I'm all done with doing that. So as I said before, guys, the hair is like really soft, so I love that about it. Like, it's really nice and it's really nice. Maintain that voluminous look. So I'm actually, you guys know my style. Put one piece behind my ear. This is too nice. Luvme Hair did their thing with the wig. They really did. It's really pretty. Really pretty. I feel like this wig It's perfect for that that female that's, they don't want to do too much, you know, the female that wants to be, you know, look presentable, put her in her wig, but you don't want it to be confined, you know, on a daily basis. So, you know, you're going to work, you want to put on a wig, look nice and natural, but still be able to take it off when you reach home. You know them vibe there? So yeah, it's perfect for everyday wear. It's perfect if you're looking for that natural look. If you're just getting into wigs and you don't quite understand how to install, this is like less than 5 minutes with installing. You know, it's really quick, very easy, very to the point. And because you're working with a smaller portion of lace, it makes life way easier. So I am just always, you know, you always hear me like recommend a good lace closure wig, and this, my friend, is a 10 out of 10 would recommend. Shedding is on a very minimal level, so do bear that in mind. And yeah, like, it looks really good. The luster, the movement, it feels like good quality. So shout out to Luvme here for this, for another bomb wig. Like, the way it falls, it's laying flat, it looks good, it's doing what it's supposed to do, you know. So yeah, so I'm gonna be sure to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out. Also, the specifications will be listed down there, so please go ahead and check that out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up for yourself.